You can also earn online easily. There are many ways to earn money online in 2023. Here are some popular options. Freelancing. If you have a specific skill such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, you can offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or coaching services through platforms like Chegg, Wizant, or Coach.me. Selling products online. You can sell physical or digital products online through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Online surveys or testing. You can participate in online surveys or user testing and get paid for your feedback through platforms like Swagbucks, User Testing, or Respondent. Content creation. If you have a talent for creating content such as writing, photography, or video production, you can earn money through platforms like Medium, Shutterstock, or YouTube. Dropshipping. You can set up an online store and sell products without holding inventory through platforms like AliExpress or Overload. Remember, earning money online requires effort and persistence. It may take time to build a successful online business, but by finding a niche, creating high-quality content, and consistently providing value to your audience. How to take a start to earn online. If you are looking to start earning money online, here are some steps you can take to get started. Identify your skills and interests. Start by identifying your skills and interests, and think about how you can use them to create value for others online. Research online earning options. Once you have identified your skills and interests, research online earning options that align with them. Look into freelancing platforms, online tutoring or coaching, selling products online, affiliate marketing, content creation, dropshipping, and other online business opportunities. Create a plan. Once you have identified an online earning option that interests you, create a plan to get started. This may include setting up a profile on a freelancing platform, creating an online store, or creating a content strategy. Build your online presence. To attract clients or customers online, you will need to build an online presence. This may include creating a website or social media profiles, optimizing your profiles for search engines, and creating high-quality content that showcases your skills and expertise. Take action. Once you have a plan and an online presence, start taking action to earn money online. This may involve bidding on freelance jobs, promoting your products, creating content, or reaching out to potential clients or customers. By taking action and consistently providing value to your audience, you can build a successful online business over time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.